I got no love for the fakeness if you wanna play tough.
Hello friends, welcome to our colorful YouTube channel. We will explore the world of coloring together, where creativity will bloom and the beauty of color will inspire us. Get ready with your favorite coloring tool, because in each of our videos, we learn, create and celebrate the magic of coloring. Let's go on an adventure together in an infinite world of color. So, no need to wait any longer, let's get started.
Fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words.
In our video this time, we will color the character of the Amazing Digital Circus again. And this time, we will color the character JAX gets a fan club. Because only here we will learn, tell stories and share information. So, keep watching this video until the end. Coloring is a creative activity that involves using color to decorate or add color to certain image or object. Coloring is not only an entertainment activity, but can also improve fine motor skill, creativity, and build understanding of color and shapes. Apart from that, coloring can also be a form of relaxation and art therapy, helping to reduce stress and improve concentration. This activity is often used in children's education to develop their artistic abilities from an early age. Coloring can also be a means of self-expression, allowing a person to express their feeling, imagination, and creativity through their choice of color and pattern. This can be a fun and therapeutic form of self-disclosure. What's more, coloring activities can help improve hand-eye coordination and involve the brain in pattern recognition and visual perception. It stimulates cognitive development at various age levels, from children to adults. Coloring is also often used as a way to teach basic concepts, such as recognizing color, number, and letter. In an educational context, coloring can be an effective tool to facilitate the learning of this concept in an interactive and fun way. Not only for children, coloring is also popular among adults. As a calming and entertaining activity, coloring books specifically for adults are often used as a form of creative meditation to relieve stress and improve emotional well-being. The importance of coloring in the context of art therapy lies in its ability to activate part of the brain associated with emotion and imagination. It can help individuals overcome mental challenges, such as anxiety or depression, through positive creative expression. Thus, coloring is not just a visual art activity, also a means of developing emotional balance and improving the overall quality of life. Its positive influence on cognitive, emotional, and even physical aspect makes it more than just a colorful hobby. In a broader context, coloring can also function as a form of wordless communication. People can convey feeling ideas or message through the choice of color, shape, and composition of the image they create. This expands the meaning of coloring as a universal means of expression and communication. Additionally, coloring can open the door to deeper artistic exploration, encouraging people to try different styles, techniques, and mediums. This creates opportunities for self-discovery and the development of artistic talent that you may not have thought of before. Thus, coloring is a versatile activity that not only provides entertainment but also brings significant benefit to a person's personal development, mental health, and artistic abilities.
To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so
Antara finish. Thank you for spending time with us today on our coloring adventure. We hope you find a lot of inspiration and creativity in this video. Don't forget to give a like if you enjoy our content. Subscribe to our channel to stay connected and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We also look forward to your contribution. If you have any ideas or work of art you'd like to share, feel free to comment below. Thanks again, friend, and see you on your next coloring adventure. Happy coloring and keep being creative. Bye bye.